Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was reduced in price. It was reduced by US 70,000 or Jamaican $10.7 million. It is located at Kingsland, Manchester, in a gated community, so your family can enjoy the freedom of outdoors, knowing that your haven is protected. It sits on a quarter acre of land and has floor space of approximately 3,664 square feet. This immaculate residence offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. It features three spacious bedrooms along with four well-appointed bathrooms. Step outside into your very own oasis, complete with a sparkling swimming pool, whether it's a refreshing dip on a sunny afternoon or a relaxing evening under the stars. This feature elevates your everyday living experience to a whole new level. With every details carefully considered, it's a perfect canvas for your family's dreams and aspirations. Don't miss the opportunity to make this your own. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.